What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts, and today we gonna be watching Davo Migo gang surviving a snowstorm again. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Said like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's go ahead and watch another snowstorm with Davo. That bully showing is crazy.
Y'all, I literally just woke up, put on clothes. Look at the time, 1:34. Don't mind the time, I sleep. Sometimes I sleep in late. I want to sleep late, you know what I'm saying? Look, bro. And this how you know this not the same segment. This shit left and came back, bro. It is January 31st. This shit left and came back, bro. I didn't even prepare. Look, I'm out of snacks. I'm out of fucking snacks. Look. I'm out of fucking snacks, bro. I don't have nothing. Look at my mag. And once again, my dumb ass got a fucking car garage. Didn't even put my car in the garage. Guess what? I don't really feel too bad because nobody else did either. Nah, this is right here. It's real snow. This is real snow, bro. This is real snow. What we had last time wasn't real snow, it was ice. This is real snow. You like, look.
I'm sorry, hold on, time out. How many people's birthdays is in between today, this month, and next month? Like, golly.
Look.
Golly.
This is real snow. The last one was ice, Chad. Look.
Amazing.
Can y'all see? Y'all might can see. But this is real snow, Chad. It's soft too. It's soft too, Chad. Like, this is real snow. It's soft. Nah.
What degrees is it outside?
Nah. In my hand. It's the fact it's still going, bro. Oh my God, Jack. Oh my God. This is way better than last time, bro. Look at the ground. Way better. This is real deal snow, chat. This look better than Switzerland. Nah, let me chill. Like I said, chat, this time against last time, bro, I prepared. I did not prepare for this, bro. I don't know how long it's gonna be going. I wanna get out here actually play in the snow. Like, for real. Like, this right here is actually, like, I can go and make a snowman, bro. And a snow angel, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go put my clothes on, change my clothes, 'cause I don't got the right fit on. Change my clothes, I'm gonna come out here and enjoy the snow. Bro, y'all went crazy the last video, bro. Y'all went crazy, bro. Hey, 2026 is out. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, like the video right now. Let's get the 2,000 likes. Like the video right now. hit subscribe button. We finna hit 270,000. You know what I'm saying? Or we probably done already. I don't know. But, hey, man, like the video right now. 300,000 on the way. Bro, y'all let me know if y'all city, bro, let's hit my face. Y'all let me know if y'all city got snow, bro. Let me know right in the comments, bro. Let me know, like it's just South Carolina. Is it just South Carolina? Let me know, bro. Let me go in the house real quick and get to pick my stuff on. My hands cold. I think I'm ready. Oh, look at the snow. The snow done came through my nose. How is this even possible? How is this even possible? Last time I didn't have my glasses on. I'm ready. It's not even ice. This is real snow. Look, it's fluffy. It's real, live, fluffy. This is crazy, bro. Look at it right here. This is straight. You know what I'm saying? What's up, man? Hey, cool. Cool as hell. My footprint. Yeah, Jordan 1s. Yeah, you know a black nigga got to live over here. You know a black nigga live right here. He got the Jordan 1s on his feet.
Yeah. He said, you know a black nigga live right here and he got the Jordan 1s on his feet.
Chad, no lie. See this right here? The snow, right? Look at this shit. Look at this shit, Chad. Why is the snow not... Why is the snow not breaking, Chad? Look. This is snow. Well, it's supposed to be... Well, is this fake? Is this fake? Maybe I'm tripping. What y'all think, Chad? Let me know. Am I tripping? Like, why is it not breaking? This snow right here is way, way worse than last time. Like, this is real life snow. Real deal snow. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is real life snow, bro. Look, I can dead ass go make a snow angel right now. Look at him. That ain't it. W him. And this is definitely different from last snow, bro. Cause like, bro, I can dead ass make a snow angel. Matter of fact, I can make one right now. Say I won't make it right now. Matter of fact, let me set this up. Hold on. Hold on. Can y'all see this, Snow Angel? Please don't tell me I just did that for nothing. But y'all get a picture though. Hold on. Y'all can get the picture though. This shit fluffy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This right here is like dead ass, like 4 inches of snow. Like 4 inches, bro. Bro, my hands is cold. These football gloves not gonna cut it, bro. I need to go in the house. My hands too cold, bro. These football gloves not gonna cut it, bro. I'm gonna need to go in the house and get my real gloves. If you trying to go for the aesthetic, bro. Let me take my black ass in the house and get some goddamn real gloves, bro. Yo, something that I didn't do. I don't know why I didn't do this, bro.
outside.
I didn't put my car in the garage,
Dog's
bro.
tweaking.
All this snow, like it's the second storm, bro. It's the second storm, but I didn't put my car in the garage.
That works.
I'm gonna put my car in the garage, bro. Move all this snow. See, the snow's so goddamn. Bro, the snow is so soft. Like, I can actually make a snowball. You know what I'm saying? The snow is actually. Crazy thumbnail. See me? Hood nigga. Black nigga. I don't got no shovel. But I got this though. You know what I'm saying? I don't got a shovel, but I got these. You know what I'm saying? Nah, this is tough. This is tough. Yeah. I did all that hooping and hollering and shit, and didn't even get the main thing. Didn't get the windshield. Did all that hooping and hollering. Get this off the, you know what I'm saying? So I get it in the garage. As long as I can see, I'm straight. It should be good enough. You know what I'm saying? Should be good enough. Yeah. I should be straight now, huh? I should be straight? Yeah, I think I should be straight. Can't really see for real. Oh, I hit something? I gotta hit something, y'all. Oh, shit. Can't see. Can't see, y'all. Can't really see for real, bro.
This whole garage is going to be full of water.
Ooh, y'all. Y'all, so it don't stop snowing. You know what I'm saying? It don't stop snowing, but it's still cold as hell. Look, still cold as hell. Motherfuckers gotta get home, bruh. People driving, they don't even care. They trying to get home. Know that shit, right? I'm gonna go to the gym real quick. You know what I'm saying? Pump a cup of iron, curls for the girls, you know what I'm saying? Look at the pool area real quick. Look at the pool. Pool still intact. It ain't frozen. Pool still intact. Why it ain't frozen? Y'all forgot, this ain't like Antarctica. Like, it ain't like been like this freezing, like, you know what I'm saying? It ain't been cold for weeks or months. Taking a pic for the aesthetic of this shit, right? See, if you a gym person, bro, the snow shouldn't stop you from getting it in. You know what I'm saying? Like, You shouldn't stop you from getting it in. Me, I'm not a gym person, but get what? I'm still gonna go get it in. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling pump us up a, you know what I'm saying? Pump a little few, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, but pump a little. I don't really do too much. I get the 30s. You know what I'm saying? Get the 30s. Yeah, I've been thinking about doing like a workout series or something like that. I don't know if y'all be in tune with it or not though, you know what I'm saying? Thinking about doing like a, you know, I don't know, like workout for like a month, just document it, you know what I'm saying? Just like set the difference. Cause like I have been getting like a little bigger, I ain't gonna lie. Right now I'm like 210, 215, you know what I'm saying? And like that's cool and all, but like I still wanna like look, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want like a dad bod, you know what I'm saying?
Don't even got kids.
So, y'all let me know if I should do that in the comments. Or would y'all even watch that? Like would y'all be tuned in if I do like a little, you know, like a little workout series? Whole time, chat, I ain't really just worked out like hardcore worked out, like pump iron since like college, bro. Like football training, you know what I'm saying? But like, I still come in here every now and then, get my curls in, you know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong with curls, bro. You literally can't go wrong with curls. Like, I don't really want to be like no bodybuilder, nothing like that. But the curls just make sure your arms look straight, you know what I'm saying? In reality, bro, me, I just want to be big enough to where if somebody see me, they know, okay, yeah, I think twice before I goddamn mess with him. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be somebody who you look at me, oh yeah, I'm whooping him. Like, I want you to look at me and be like, okay, it might be a challenge. Like, I might can still win, but you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a little challenge. If I can get you like that right there, bro, then I'm good. W for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't even look. It's so crazy, bro. I don't even look 215. I don't even look 215, bro. Y'all might think I'm just I'm just small, bro. Reality, bro, I'm like small for real. Like, imagine me, backfield. You know what I'm saying? 6'3", 215. You know what I'm saying, bro? I'm like Jeremiah Smith size. Whole time, I'm like Jeremiah Smith size. I knock your ass out, boy. See these right here? See these? I knock your ass out, boy. Yeah, do something, nigga. Yeah, do something, nigga. Yeah. Knock your ass out, nigga. I put Larry Lobster on his shit. Hey, remember Larry Lobster? Larry Lobster was big as hell up top and skinny as hell at the bottom. Larry the Lobster. And don't forever forget to get the push-ups in, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? ever forget to get the push-ups in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't ever forget to get the push-ups in, bro. Like, no cap, bro. Push-ups is literally like the old reliable, bro. If you don't got no weights at home, bro, do push-ups, bro. Do push-ups, sit-ups. You know what I'm saying? Push-ups, sit-ups. And if you got something to hang on, do pull-ups, bro. Like, you playing a game, say you play 2K. At the end of every game or every quarter, hit push-ups. Hit like 15 push-ups, 20 push-ups. You know what I'm saying? If you watching TV, every commercial break, do 15, 20, 25 push-ups. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real, bro, it's gonna add up, bro. I'm telling you that. I don't see how y'all don't do it, bro. I honestly don't see how y'all do it. Snowing, like, bro, I don't know how y'all do it, bro. This right here is not for me, you know what I mean? Gloves on. Not for me, bro. Like, look at it right there. It is
Damn,
19 degrees. Feel like 2. So I'm gonna say it's 2 degrees. You know what's so crazy? You can tell that to somebody that's up north, bro, Chicago or New York, bro, they'll laugh. Y'all probably got like -10 up there, huh? -15 up there, huh?
Just a little bit further, Maryland, DC.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm grateful that we got snow, though. You know what I'm saying? It's like
-1 in Maryland.
This right here is real deal snow. Like, that last video I posted, bro, the last week, that was like ice. This right here is the real deal. Like, can't cap. Real deal snow. Can't do James Brown in these pants, nah. I'm just mad that I didn't prepare, bro. I literally did not prepare. I don't got no snacks in the house. I don't got no drink. I don't got no food. I ain't ate all day. You know what I'm saying? I know ain't nothing open right now. No, ain't nothing open. I need to give me like something to slide on, like a board or something. Board would be tough. See? They finna do it. I need to give me a board like that right there. You know what I'm saying? They got them a board over there. They finna go slide on the slopes. Look at this shit, right? It's tough. They finna go slide on the slopes. Tough. That's tough right there. Oh, got nothing in the house though. See, they finna go slide. They finna go slide in the hill. That's what I need, y'all. Damn, that's what I need, bro. Fuck. I'm gonna go do it the hood way. I might go in the house and go get me like a, I don't got no boxes though, man. I don't got no boxes. Damn, I don't got no boxes. They gonna be, I ain't gonna lie, I'm jealous. Over here, I don't got one. They over there finna slide down the hill. I can't. I'm finna go steal it. Not playing. 2026, I wanna do like some collabs, bro. Or like, do like some type of collabs or like this different type of videos, bro. Like, I wanna get y'all like different type of vids, like stuff that like, you know, that I gotta like actually like creative vids, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really more so this year, bro, I want to build a community, like a real community. Like, I know y'all rock with me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all watch my videos and stuff, but I feel like we not a real community. And so, with that being said, bro, I done made a Discord, you know what I'm saying? Discord is in the description, bro. Go join the Discord, bro. We got like 400 members in there already, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, 2026, bro, I just want to be like a community, bro. Like, I want to go in there, chat with y'all, you know what I'm saying? And just build a real community, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, man, 2026, like, I want to like, just really just more so like hear y'all voices and like hear y'all opinions and like take into like consideration on like my content and like try to give y'all stuff that y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? It ain't about me. It's about y'all. So, 300K on the way. Hit the sub button, hit the like button. I love y'all, bro. And I'm gonna go, you know what I'm saying, chill for the rest of the night and hope and pray the power don't go out, bro. That's another thing, bro. The power didn't go out, bro. The power did not go out. Thank God the power ain't going out. I'm not gonna wood. Not gonna wood, you know what I'm saying? But thank God the power hasn't went out yet, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, man, like the video, subscribe. Yeah, man, love y'all. Davo Migo gang, we go gang in the building. And I'm out, bro. Gang.
So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I will see y'all in the next.